So inside of Connect, if you go to the Packages tab, there's now something new.
You're going to see new packages. So I don't know if you guys have seen this yet. It literally just came out. Josh is right. One of my all-time favorite things to do is clean up. And he started to clean these up yesterday during the show. I'm like, what are you doing? Stop it. Don't touch this. So you can now move your packages around and delete them and make your own packages. So look at all these ones.
You can create folders.
You can create folders and nest your folders. Has everyone done this yet? I'm so excited to do this. So I kind of want to just delete all of these now, like really bad, because I hate it so much.
And you can drag and drop too, right? So after you create a folder, you can drag stuff around in them. You can organize them.
Look. So I actually haven't really thought it through how I want to do it. I'm kind of, I am a big organizational nutbag. But there is an article that we're going to attach to this. So how do we want to do it though? So you can click on here and look, you can duplicate it, you can rename it, you can delete it. So
move is the new option here too.
Yeah. So say we want to move all of these and then select it and just move them into each other. You can do so much. Yep. Can I mess with it? I don't know. Can I do it? What should we do? I have some control problems, don't I?
Yeah, you do. Look, whatever you do, I'm just going to come move it by like 4 packages and see how long
it really is. But yeah, you could do so much stuff. So I almost think what I'm going to do is get rid of all of it and then start over. But you can't. I know. I'm so crazy, Josh. I really am. He really started doing it yesterday. I was slapping his hand because I'm so crazy. So you can do it by software and leave it that way, which is kind of what the structure looks like, the new structure. But that's not going to work for me.
Have fun. Organize your packages. It's now visual. You're not quite so reliant on search.
I kind of feel kind of stuck right now. I can't even do it.
Well.
So crazy.
So,
anywho, have fun with that, you guys.